This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. Today we have one of my favorite repairs. This is a stove that the burner doesn't light. It just goes click, 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 click and never lights up. This is probably caused by a gas orifice or gas jet that's clogged, and it's very easy to fix. Just need like a straightened paper clip or something pointy, preferably made out of metal, and you could even use like a longer needle. And you're going to pull off the burner cap, and then you're going to look in and try to find a small brass piece with a little tiny hole in the middle, and then you just want to take something pointy, push it in there and wiggle it around to break free all the debris that might be keeping the gas from coming out with the volume necessary to have a strong flame and also to light. So once you do that cleaning of that jet, you might want to look at the burner too. Some of these just pop right off. Some of them are held in by screws. And you look for a little hole here, and you want to make sure that that hole is clear too. You can use something pointy to poke through there, and that's where gas is supposed to come through and mix with the spark to light. But sometimes that hole gets clogged, and then the gas can never get in there into the area where the spark is. So looking for that little hole and cleaning that with something sharp will be great. The other thing you can think about too is taking a wire brush and really cleaning the igniter. Kind of be gentle on the white porcelain igniter, but get it nice and clean, and then scrub the metal parts, the burner head and the burner cap, the thing that goes on the top. Scrub it really good with your wire brush so it's nice and shiny, and that'll create a really good electrical connection and cause for a much stronger spark. So it's a pretty common problem where the burners get clogged up from boil over conditions. But here's a wire brush. You can get these at the dollar store or on Amazon really cheap, and they're great for cleaning up the igniter and the burner head. And usually we see this problem on the front burners because they get used most often, and it's usually because of a boil over, like a bunch of milk boiled over and then clogs up everything. You can also use a Q-tip with some rubbing alcohol to clean everything. Here's another stove with a similar problem. So this one, the burner head doesn't come off, so we're just going to put our sharp implement in there. Again, you could use a straightened paper clip. It would work great. Into that hole, wiggle it around, put the cap back on, and you should get a nice ignition like this one, and also a stronger flame. So if the flames become weaker, or if it's just not lighting at all, there's a really fast and easy procedure. It takes minimal tools. Basically just need a straightened paper clip would be great, and maybe a wire brush. And then some people have had good luck with the Q-tip and the alcohol too, to get everything really clean. That'd be the igniter and all the metal parts of the burner head and the burner cap. And then you'll have a really strong stove again that'll light easily, cook better. And it's just a really fun repair because it'll only just take you a few minutes. So good luck with yours, and I hope you get your stove going really good. Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button, and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.